welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you 4 of my most used binds. I have 2 other videos that have one of my favorite binds in them, but this one is my most recent and probably most advanced of all of them. So, the first one is the Sky bind, which I use probably the most, and the second one is this like kind of reverse cliche bind. When I say cliche bind, I mean this one. Kind of like the reverse one, and you can also hop into a regen from that one. That's how I usually start my yo-yos up. And the other one is this one, and the last one is this one. Alright, so now let's get into the tutorial. The first one's the Sky bind. It's probably pretty self-explanatory. You just like yank the string like this, and the yo-yo goes flying up into the string. When you see it hit the string, you gotta just let it fly up into the air and bind. I don't really have any other tips other than that. The next one is the reverse cliche bind, and this one, it's pretty hard to learn. It took me a little longer to learn this one just because it has some weird concepts in it, but once you get it down, it's pretty easy. So if you know the cliche bind, you just let it go around your hand, and just drop the string and it pops right back up. And this one's kind of like the exact same, just different. You go here and you gotta go into the bind mount and then curl your arm inwards and kind of just like let it drape over your arm. You're gonna curl your arm in, and then you're just gonna let it fly over your arm. The next one is the like kind of whip kind of bind, the twirly whip bind. If you know the side plastic whip, this is gonna be probably the easiest one in this video. You just do the side plastic whip, and it feels like you should go that way, but it actually won't bind if you go that way. I was really lucky, actually. But I think you should go the other way. So you're gonna go, instead of going clockwise, you're gonna go throw it like kind of outside of your body. You're gonna spin it, and it's gonna go way outside your body. Not inwards towards it, you're gonna just chuck it away. The last one is probably the most techie kind of bind, because it's kind of like this one, but you add another step to it. So you're gonna go into the regular mount, but don't pinch in, so it's like that. Have it still draped around your finger, and you're gonna go in again. You're just gonna do like a double reverse trapeze, and then you're gonna fling the string in front of the yo-yo and do that kind of reverse clockwise, or like I don't know why I keep saying that. You spin it around your hands, kind of like a brain twister kind of thing. Hey, you made it to the end of the video, and today I'm going to be teaching you an extra bonus video, an extra bonus trick. So, this bind, it looks like this. It's probably one of like my most fastest binds. Like, I gotta do something, I just quick bind it like that. It's my favorite one. I call it the Jake Elliott bind. And if you don't know why I call it that, go over to yoyotricks.com and go watch one of Jake Elliott's 5A videos. In his 5A videos, he always just like throws the yo-yo out to the side like that. And sometimes it doesn't respond. But anyways, this is how you do it. So, you're gonna go into this kind of mount, but don't have it around your finger, have it loose like this, kind of like a Y or something. You're just gonna throw it like this, and once you hear that ting, you gotta kind of pull back on it. If you pull back too dramatically, then it might not bind, or your response pads are just bad. This one you need really good response pads for. This one I just use mainly just for getting my yo-yo back. Toss it to the side. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.